Hello everyone, for today's experiment I'm gonna show you the most simple electric motor that you can build at home. For this you will need a magnet, it has to be a round magnet, a battery and an electric wire. You must bend the wire in this shape so that the lower end of the wire can slide easily on the edge of the magnet, like this. And to make the motor, simply take the magnet, put the battery on top of it. The negative part should be pointing upwards and the plus sign down. And then take the copper wire and put it on top like this. When the electric wire touches the battery on this part and the magnet on this part, an electric current is generated through the wire. A magnetic field appears in the wire and it interacts with the magnetic field of the magnet, and so the whole system rotates. It will rotate like this if I take my hand over it. So if you follow what I said, you'll end with something like this.